dude, this is another Money Gun video. I'm gonna be showing you a way to make real money start to finish. There's 4 steps I'm gonna show you in this video how you can earn $100 a day simply by reposting videos. I said it, folks, literally reposting videos. Folks, literally step 1, step 2 is download, then upload, then you make money. So download a video, upload a video. I'm gonna be walking you through everything on my computer so there's no loose threads, because with this method, like all my videos, when you make money, I make money, and that's why this is the #1 money channel on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get it. Hey, John Crestona here, affiliate marketer. Won't tell you too much about my story, but I love money and I love helping other people make money too. And I'm gonna show you how you can make videos simply by reposting videos from other sites, downloading videos from YouTube and posting them on other sites using this method. Now, the first step with this method that's very important is you need to actually get videos to repost. Where are you gonna get those videos? Well, how about this? I'm going to actually give you permission to repost every one of my videos. That's right, folks. I make tens and tens of thousands of dollars a month just from the ads on this YouTube channel. I'm giving you full permission to repost any video from my channel. I have hundreds. I have videos that have been seen millions of times, and I'm giving you permission to repost every single one anywhere you'd like. But I'll show you the step-by-step ways to make money with them in this, because just reposting them is not as important as actually making money with them. And I'm gonna show you how you can earn money by using this method of downloading and uploading the videos anywhere in the world. I'm gonna show you how you can get paid. All you need is a bank account, a PayPal account, or an address for a check to be physically mailed to. So let's go over to my computer. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna dive right into this method and show you exactly how this can be done. Now, as I said, the first step was to get videos to post, and then you're on my channel, you just click my name or whatever, you go over to my channel page and you'll see there's lots of videos on my channel that you can repost, hundreds, and you can sort by the most popular and see there are videos that have millions of views on them. You may be watching videos here on YouTube, but I don't know if you knew, but there are other websites where people watch videos on with hundreds of millions of users. So check this out. How many users does Daily Motion have? 300 million. There's another site out there that has 300 million users, and there's many other sites that have similar sorts of numbers. And you can take advantage of this because I don't post my videos on YouTube, and many other creators or people with video content don't post their videos on other websites as well. So you can make money simply by reposting my videos or somebody else's videos on another website and making money from the AdSense. Now, I don't know the laws. I don't know what people are fine with reposting videos. You can ask them, or you can look up the laws of your country. Again, I don't look up international law. You guys are from all over the place. Am I supposed to freaking study the laws from Morocco? Don't ask me, okay? If you put it in the comments, I will ban you from making any other comments for life. I just don't want to deal with stupid comments, okay? We're just trying to make money here. And you can repost my videos, so it's all cool. Sorry for the rant, folks. I get a lot of comments from unresourceful people. But the second step we're interested in is, now that we have the videos that we can use, is we need to download them. So how do you download a video? So let's say you wanted to take this video. How would you download it? Well, what you do is you go to Google and you would search download YouTube to MP4. An MP4 is a file type. That's a video file. So what you're really asking Google is, you're saying, how do I download a YouTube video as a file that I can store on my computer? And right here, you'll see there's a bunch of results. There's a bunch of sites that do this. No site is better than the other as far to my knowledge. I just always have used the first result because in my mind, they're all kind of the same. And I'm just going to use this result right here, which says keep vid. And I am going to go back to my video right here, which has 2.5 million views. And I'm going to simply copy the link you see right there. And then I'm going to go to this site, and then I'm going to copy and paste the link right there. We're going to click download now. So we'll right click, and then we'll click Save Link As, and then see, boom! So it says invitation to create an automated business. So we just click save. Boom, just download it. So super fast. I love it. Okay, so real easily, we just did number 2. Okay, we found the videos. We downloaded the videos. Now I'm going to show you 5 different places that you can actually upload your videos to. I'm also going to show you an additional just way to find dozens of other places you can upload a video to. This is a great way to create multiple streams of income very easily, and I suggest you hop on this. If you're taking action right away, type in "I'm taking action," because it makes no sense to not just go out there, just download and re-upload a ton of videos. So the site you'll want to sign up for is dailymotion.com, which I mentioned previously. It has over 300 million users. A lot of people watch videos here. And in order to sign up, you would just scroll all the way down to the bottom and you would look at this area. Right down here, it says become a partner, and you'd want to click that right there and just sign up. I'm not going to walk you through the sign up process because that's boring. And frankly, if you can't figure out how to sign up for a website, you shouldn't be trying to work on the internet, folks. Okay, you should go work in a store, get off the internet, get a job, this isn't for you. You can figure out how to sign up. Next one is Metacafe. This is a really old site. Metacafe right there. So I just did a quick search and they get over 120 million visitors every month and 27 million users. And if you can't make some sales to 120 million people, I don't know what you're doing. And I'm actually going to show you a really cool way of how you can earn some really nice passive income, getting people in the door for just $1. A book I wrote, you can use my videos to sell a book I already wrote and earn 90% of the money. And I'll show you exactly how this whole thing works in just a second here. But you'll be earning recurring commissions. I'll just throw that out there. Recurring commissions. I'll show you it in just a second here. Let's go into the other methods. So Metacafe, great way, lots of viral videos, all that stuff. You see thousands of people are watching these videos right now. Okay, another great site is Break.com. This is another really old site, Break.com. You see right there. To sign up for that site, I won't walk you through the process, but basically click that upper right corner and it says sign up right there. And you would upload some videos, create a channel, upload some videos, and just keep going. Just keep uploading videos. Each of these platforms has different algorithms that rule it, that judge which videos show up here versus which videos don't show up. So you'll want to get to know some of these platforms to figure out how to get your videos up as much. But frankly, if you're just reposting videos that have never been seen before on these platforms like mine, you'll have a pretty good shot of success. Here's another site called 9gag. It's another kind of viral video meme type website. So you can just upload videos here, sign up right here, and to get started. And last but not least is you can even re-upload my videos to YouTube. Now, the thing about YouTube is because I was the first person to upload my own video to YouTube, I end up making the AdSense revenue, but you end up making the affiliate commissions, which is what we're going to talk about next. So the most important way of monetizing is actually not making money from the ads. So making money from ads is chump change, whereas making money from affiliate commissions is big money. And I'm going to show you how you can make money by putting affiliate links underneath or within each of these videos so you can earn recurring revenue. Specifically, what I'll be showing you is how you can sell my book. This is a digital workbook for $1. I sell it for $1, sells any country in the world. And this book is a great book. It goes over different ways you can make money online, called Work at Home Secrets. But what's great about it is there is a free trial. There's a 30-day free trial for everybody who just spends $1 to buy this book. They also get a free trial, and then after that, it's $40 a month. If they enjoy the training they're getting from me and from me and my friends about how to start a work-at-home career, they pay $40 a month. And as an affiliate, you get 90% of that. Pretty cool, right? So you are earning $36 a month. You get somebody to spend $1, you earn $36 a month every single month. So here's how it works, is what you do, you are going to want to go, there's going to be a link in the description, but you're going to want to go to Digistore 24. You're going to want to click register now right there. Digistore is an affiliate network based in Germany, but they're all over the world, and they pay out affiliates over $250 million a year. They work with any country in the world, and they will pay you one of 3 ways. They'll pay you via PayPal, so you need to have a PayPal account, or they'll pay you via a bank wire, which means you'd have to have a bank account to get paid via bank wire, or they'll pay you via check, which means you need an address. And what you need to do is you need to register right here. Some fields are optional, some fields aren't. And when you log into your account, you will be able to see how much money you earn and what have you. Where you want to go to get your affiliate link for my product is you actually want to go to the marketplace right here, where it says marketplace right there. And you'll click the marketplace, and then you will go down to where it says internet marketing and e-business on the left-hand side. In this category, you'll see the number one product. There's only 5 products here right now, but the number one product is Work at Home Secrets, and Internet Jet Set is the continuity program. You get 90% commission right here. And if you want to see how it works, you just copy right here your affiliate link. So you would copy your affiliate link. Looks something like that. But what I like to do is I like to shorten the link. I like to use a link shortener such as Bitly to shorten the link. And what you do with Bitly is you just copy your link in here, then you prettify it. Now let me show you what it actually looks like when somebody clicks on the link. So what it looks like when somebody clicks on the link is it says start working from home today. And it says without any experience, tech skills, a product, or an audience. And we have a American celebrity as currently as one of the endorsers of the book. There's a long page which explains what you get. But what's most important is you start for $1. And what's even better is you'll see there is a $39.95 monthly recurring program here that starts after 30 days, which means you earn 90% of all of this. You earn 90% of the dollar, you earn 90% of this. Now imagine if you just got 2 people every single day to spend $1. If you got 2 people every single day to spend $1, how much recurring revenue would you have? Let's do the math. So 2 people a day times 30 days, this is $2. Hopefully you're good enough to get 2 people to spend $1, right? Easy. Type in easy if you think you can get 2 people a day to spend $1. Type in easy in the comments. So that means you're getting 60 customers. So the recurring revenue is 90% of $40. We're going to times that by 90% times 40. So that's $36. So you have 60 customers times $36 a month, right? That's your recurring revenue. But basically, that will leave you with $2,160 on monthly recurring revenue. If you can get 2 people to spend $1 every day, you will be getting roughly $2,200. You'll be getting over $2,000 a month in recurring revenue. And you'll be selling a book that genuinely helps people. Now you might be asking, why am I doing this? Well, I have thousands of subscribers here. If I make 10% of the efforts of thousands of people, I end up ahead no matter what. And either way, I'm looking to change the world. There's a revolution going on right now, folks. And it's people working at home. Companies don't want to hire people in offices anymore. People are moving out of the cities. We got to help lead the revolution, and I want to be at the forefront of things. So in order to monetize, all you need to do is you need to post your link below the video and say, get the book, or just say, learn more, get the book. And you just post that below the video that you post up, and you can start earning money. Because whenever you post up a video of me, people are already watching me. They'll be very willing to spend $1 in order to learn more ways to make more money. For instance, on page number 34, I share with folks a little over a dozen websites of where they can earn as much as $50 an hour working online. People are willing to spend $1 to learn that. Furthermore, there are workbook questions in each chapter, just like a school textbook. Learn and really ingrain the knowledge in their head. This is built like a school textbook. It's built to help people retain knowledge, because working at home is a whole new thing not taught in school. Now, here are a bunch of other websites that you can actually post on. You can post on Facebook. You can post videos on LinkedIn. You can post videos on Mixer, Twitch, Periscope, Loots, DLive, Zanqui, Major League Gaming. I don't even know all these sites. So Vaughn Live, etc. You can post on all these sites, but the point being is you have the videos. You have the way to make money. You have the knowledge and the ability to download and upload these videos, and the math is all worked out for you. You just need to get 2 people a day, spend $1, right? And you need to post these videos up as many places as possible to see where you can get viewers, where you can get clicks. Do this, folks. There's a lot of videos on my channel. I would start with the videos that are getting the most views because those are the most popular. Those are the ones that resonate the most with the widest audience. Vary up the text, vary up the titles. Do what you need to do, but get the videos out there, post them up, find ways to get traffic, and find ways to get people to click on your affiliate links, because you do this, you will create recurring income to allow you to live a life that is very different from everybody else. And it's amazing. I talk about in other videos how much money I make a month, but it's over $100,000 a month. Insane. I never thought I'd be in the position I am in this life, but it's fantastic. It's really cool. But I don't wear fancy things. You can live life whatever way you want. So go do it. If you're going to take action, type in "I'm an action taker" in the comments below, okay? Like this video, subscribe if you want more, because I got these methods coming all day long. Hit the notification bell. I'm looking to make more millionaires this year than ever before. So check it out. Let's get this started. Check out my other videos, but use this one. I look forward to helping you all out. Have a good day.